Okay, I've been asked to react to some of the videos that are on YouTube that show functional testing of fire detectors, some of them with some questionable practices. This one I'm going to show you here shows testing a smoke detector using an aerosol canister on its own, and then it's testing a heat detector afterwards. So here we see testing the smoke detector using an aerosol canister, one of our aerosol canisters by hand. It says specifically on the side, not to be used in the hand, only to be used on the dispenser. A little bit further on, then goes to test the heat detector, strikes up a lighter, naked flame directly onto the plastic. It's damaging the actual plastic. It's not compliant with any of the standards actually out there.